Hello, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to talk to y'all about something. All right, so I need y'all help on something. All right, so if y'all do not know, or I think y'all already know, maybe some of you know, or more of you don't know. I'm working on my role play game, and it's gonna be like a Texas game, like Texas State role play game or something. I'm looking for developers. Um, I'm willing to pay them Robux. For scripters, I'm paying. What I'm hiring is, QA testers, moderators, developers, senior developers, and game leads. So, if you're applying for game lead, you must have some experience. At least maybe at least 10 plus experience. Or maybe a proof of your experience. Maybe. Um, I am hiring moderators too and QA testers. The people is gonna that's gonna train the developers like rather than Trell. The people will train them and train the QA testers and test them out. It is gonna be like me or some of my peoples, like, but I mean some of my peoples, maybe like some of my friends, because I might handpick one of my friends or two of my friends or three of them. So I'm gonna handpick them and see should I trust them or something, or train them and stuff, and see how good are they and stuff. We're gonna be training y'all and testing y'all to see are y'all good for it. The rank. So for developer, I'm hiring 17 developers. I already know. All right, I already know that's a lot of developers. So in total of developers I need, in total, this is the total of developers I need. I need 21 developers. I already know that's a lot. And if it counts as me, so if I count as me, I might add to 22. Um so that's gonna add like 22. So it's gonna be like 21 developers, because there's this is gonna be a big project. I'm talking about like a big huge project. That's why need at least 21 developers and stuff. Yeah, y'all do get paid. Um it's up to it's gonna be um it's gonna be up to me how much Robux I give y'all. um I do pay y'all Robux. It's up to y'all how much Robux you want. The only price for Robux I could do is at least five, I believe 100 plus Robux. Because when I get more Robux, I could let y'all know when I could pay you and stuff for the project. But when the project is already done, and that's when y'all first paycheck come in. Because I have one friend that be paying me Robux, and um um the reason why my other friend paid me Robux because I asked him for Robux, so I could work on my game and hire some developers and stuff. Uh, and yeah, yeah, our first paycheck will come in when the whole entire project is done and stuff. And yeah, I'm working on my game, so these are the positions I need help with. So these are the positions, not that I'm the ranked person, but the scripted builder, just like that. So I'm hiring some scripters, builders, vehicle monitors, and UL designers, designers and graphic designers, and VFS lighting developers. I'm hiring animation developers. I'm hiring data store back end developer. I'm hiring logo designer, map designer, livery designer, texture artist, uniform designer, and animation developer, and a highway builder. And I'm hiring every single role. So the thing I just said about scripters and builders, I'm hiring every single of that role, inside your rank and stuff. It depends. You do have to show your past work. Um, you do have to show me your past work and stuff. Um, yeah, you do have to show me your past work, and the things that we're gonna be need help with are I'm gonna tell y'all the list of things we need to build. Everything. It's gonna be a real big project. I already know it's gonna take a long time. It's gonna take up to a month for the project to be done. Alright. It's gonna be a big project. Um everything gotta look realistic. we gotta make the cars we gotta make the cars realistic, because if we don't make the cars realistic, like not the car, I didn't mean I'm sorry. Let's kind of kind of a little bit make the cars realistic, but let's still like use the car company car. That means I gotta pay for the license. I don't feel like paying for that and stuff. We can make the cars different and stuff. We can make the cars different. Let's see. Yeah, let's make the cars different. And stuff. Alright. So we're gonna make the cars different. So like y'all know how Research County have their cars as right. Like it look different stuff. Yeah, we're gonna like it's kind of look like it might just look like theirs. I'm not gonna steal like their car, but it's gonna look different between theirs and stuff. And these are the things we have to build. We have to build civilian spawn, the police station, fire department. We gotta build the dealership, highways, the roads. We gotta build the transportation, public service and stuff. We build civilian jobs. We gotta build like we should build like a lot of things that because like we should build like I'm not gonna lie, we should be a court, and like we should be like a court, and we should be like we're gonna be like the police radio communication. We're gonna be the fire department. We're gonna be like law enforcement, everything. The radios, we're gonna put all that in. So yeah. Um, we're gonna have a staff. We're gonna have a staff. What I think called staff. The staff. We're gonna have the staff station, but staff station is gonna only be for but like, we're gonna have a staff. We're gonna add like a staff station. In the game, we're gonna add a staff station. We're gonna have a Discord service too. We're gonna add like a way where like if some do not have Discord, they can still report the bug that's in the game, and it's go straight to the Discord. And developers handle the bug stuff. Um, we can add everything. So like we can add so like if you're a moderator, right? For example, if you're a moderator, all right. So if you're a moderator, when you join in game, there's gonna be like a thing at top of your head will say like Texas. For example, I'm gonna say Texas state. It's gonna say Text emergency response Texas. No, not emergency response. Texas Texas state roleplay staff. Not moderator. Texas state roleplay staff moderator. It's gonna say that, for example, on top of your head, like like you see have it downstairs. It's gonna say that, and we're gonna make like the badge different, like we're gonna design and stuff. And yeah, we gotta have that. You will have commands in game, or if you're a moderator or developer and stuff. And yeah, y'all forget that location. I don't even know why it pops up. It's on that's another Discord server. Let me see what did it say. What did it say? Alright. Yeah, something different. And yeah. I'm working on my roleplay game. I need like at least 21 developers. And that's a lie. I need like 20 security testers and stuff. Like there's a lot of stuff I need help with. Not that help, but yeah. Um, we are and yeah. So let's focus on the game that we had to the stuff that we had to add to the game. That I already told y'all. There will be like a way where where you could teleport to the stab station. We're gonna have a command for that for the moderators. But you have to, the commands. We're gonna make like a way where like you have to type this command. We have to make the commands. It's like when you join the game, your commands pop up, and it's gonna have to when you type the command, you have to like you gotta like make your command private, but we're gonna help you out and train you for that stuff. But your command's gonna be private. You have to make your commands private where you type your command. It's gonna separate somewhere if you use your commands. That's in the command system. And there's gonna be like a way where like you can teleport to the staff station, but the staff station is gonna be hidden. So I mean, it's gonna be hidden. Like it's gonna be somewhere like it's gonna be somewhere in the city, but no one can't find it because we're gonna hide it and stuff. And we're gonna add like the sap station is gonna be only where you can spawn your cars at. Um, but make sure you do not like use your powers and stuff. Only use your powers if there's like a hacker in the game or anything happen bad and stuff. Um, we're and yeah, we just I just need help with the game. We're gonna the highway is gonna be big because like we need like the highway. I'm sorry, but we need the highway to be like huge, big, like just like in real life and stuff. It's gonna be huge, big. We're gonna have some business buildings and stuff. All the houses gonna look realistic and stuff, professional, and like like we're gonna have some gas stations too. We're gonna have some like public places. We're gonna have some mansions where you can like buy mansion, we can buy a house. We're gonna have customization, phone that's like professional, good. Um, and what else? And this thing. Alright, and we need to like add like some like maybe like some like we're gonna add like the inside of the cars and stuff. We're gonna add like the inside of the cars in the on the game where like you look inside of the car, you can see the interior. The it's like you see like dash. I'm sorry, the dash, and you can like see like the seat side of the car, everything. And yeah, we're gonna have our own. We're gonna have our YouTube channel and stuff. And yeah, we need like we're gonna count everything and like we're gonna have like a train doing everything. We're gonna have a city. Um, we're gonna have like a lot of cities. Like we're gonna have Miami in the city. We're gonna have like not Miami, but we're gonna have like so like y'all know how in real life how if you're in Texas, right, where you can get on the highway and then like you could like road to Miami and stuff like on the highway and stuff, or take the airplane, like take a airplane to the like take like a flight to Miami. Yeah, we're gonna have like a way where like you can take like a flight to Miami in the game. I know that's gonna be a really good update that might come to the game or might come to first to the game or feeds you or anything stuff. Um, everything big and stuff, huge, but it's gonna take us like a lot of months and stuff to like make that and stuff. Um, we gotta have a new station. We're gonna have like a way where like you could like make like we're gonna like because like we're gonna be hiring content creators and stuff. I'm not gonna lie, we are hiring content creators. To become a content creator, you must have at least like one k plus subscribers. I'm not gonna lie, at least 1k. But the lowest I could do for for content creator is going to be like at least 900 plus and stuff. And yeah, we do need some donations for the game. And stuff. Working on like a lot of stuff. I putting down some notes on here. I'm putting down some notes on here. So you see this and stuff. I'm putting down some notes. And yeah, we need to like we're hiring developer. If you're applying for developer, just leave in the comment and then we could talk in a private or something. Yeah. I'm looking for like a lot of developers and stuff. And yeah. And yeah, that might be pretty much it. There's a lot of stuff. We gotta have discreet lights and stuff. We're gonna have like the gun store. We're gonna have weapons stuff. We're gonna add all of that. We're gonna have traffic lights stuff. We're gonna have a lot of stuff. And yeah. We're gonna have every single thing in the game and stuff. And yeah. We're gonna have the hospital, everything. We're gonna add every single thing, but it's gonna take us a long time and stuff. We're gonna have a military base and stuff. And yeah. Um, we might add a school to the game and stuff. Alright, I'm not gonna lie. We might add a school to the game. I want to like make the um the places like the state like more realistic and stuff. That's why. And yeah. Um and yeah. Um so like yeah. If you have any questions, just let me know. Just leave it in a comment. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification. Peace out. Have a good day and stuff.